I'm looking for a way to run the Hyperspace node. So this is one of my points right now. Then this is the right video for you. So I don't know why this thing stop farming around this time, and maybe I'm the one that actually stopped mine. Let me go and check my second account. So here is my second account, and this is on 26. So I don't know why this thing is actually mixing. Uh, it's actually mixing the date, so which prompt me to stop it. Okay, so I want to show you guys how you can actually do this. Okay, so I was thinking this thing was not actually mining again, so I have to take it over. So first thing I have to do is to get your VPS. So I normally get my VPS from Contabo, and I've already drafted a tutorial for us on what you are going to need. But I urge you to choose these the cloud VPS too. And the thing about um Contabo right now is like they are giving can I say this thing is a kind of a giveaway. So it's kind of a carnival selling. Okay, you are going to get your credit back. Okay, credit back. So this is what thing is going to actually cost you like $5.5, and you are going to be able to claim like $4 in return. I don't know, maybe 0 points in return, but I'm still going to try it out and see how this thing works. Okay, so I'm just going to purchase this one and see how it works at the end of the day. So let us choose this package. We are going to select this package because of the storage. Okay, we want the Optimus one. Okay, so select the second package, which is the 4C. So the next thing is choose European Union. That is what we are going to choose. After choosing European Union, we want to choose this storage. Okay, you can either choose this. I think this is the Nevada. I don't know. uh you can either choose the NV.ME or SSD for the VPS. So normally you can choose this, okay, or this. So make sure you choose this. I think this one is quite higher than this one. And choose Ubuntu and the name you want to actually use right there. So this will be your username, which will be your root name, and your password that you are going to use uh, for the VPS that you are going to use to run the VPS should be here. Okay. The next one, you can either select auto backup, but I don't uh, actually add this one to my package, and leave this one for the add-ons and click on next. Okay. So leave this one for the add-on and click on next. So let me just input my password. The password should be at least 8 to 10 in character, with a good case sensitive. Okay, now click on next. So I think after this is where you are actually going to register. So yeah, you'll be set to register right there. Okay, after you have registered, you can pay using your PayPal, Visa, America, and Express. So I think we are done. So if you are a previous Contabo user, you can either log in here and check out. Okay, so that is it. So you are going to see if you are a first time user, you are going to see your login inside your email. The login inside your email is to log in on your dashboard. Okay, it's to log in on the dashboard. The root and the password you input on the purchasing page, that is when you are going to log in for your VPS. So I think there's a way you can actually migrate to. I think they are already migrate to to this new dashboard, which we are going to actually use now. Okay, so I think I'm using the same password and username for all of these. Okay, so this is SSD and this is called for SSD. So let me just click on copy my address. So we are going to download the putty. Okay, I don't normally use some people normally use this root your IP. I don't normally use that one. I use putty directly, in which I can log in automatically. So let me just close it. So let's go for putty. Go and download putty for your window or on your Mac. I think so. Input your IP address right there. After you input your IP address, leave the port like that and click on save. Okay. Let me just type the name right there. So I'm going to just use that node. So I'm going to click on save. So that's node is already saved there, but I already have the one I'm going to use right there. Okay, so let me just delete this one. So I'm going to click on this and click on open. So click on accept, and it's going to show. Don't forget the username where the root as a login and the password we used before to log in. So it's not going to show you how you type the password. Okay, that means this means that we haven't entered the normal password, so we have to re-enter it. So as you can see right now, we have it right now connected. So the next thing is let me just do this. So we are going to go to this and start it. Control C, uh like that. So if this thing is not working, we are going to try it again, but I've already run it before and it works. Okay, let me check something. No, okay. So I think we are done with that one. The second one is copy to download this Hyperspace. Okay, so we are done with that one. Let's go with this one too. So if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So let's go for the screen hyperspace to create this new section unless we don't have a screen. Okay, so AIOC, let's start. Let us start that one. So as you can see, so as we are starting this one now, the next thing is press Ctrl A plus D. So it's going to take you to this place, and the next thing, okay, if you want to go back to the retouch screen where needed, you are going to do this. So the next thing is to download the model. So let us go and download this model. So this model is actually going to take a while before it downloads. So I'm going to actually show you what is going to show on the screen. As you can see, we have 1.6 gigabytes for the model that is downloading. After then, we have to create a PEM file. Okay, before you do the PEM file, go to the hypernode itself. When you get to the hypernode itself, um, you want to go here. You want to go here at the import private key and copy your current key, because that is the key we are actually using. Your current key is the key you're actually using. Okay, copy the key and make sure the key is safe. Okay, copy the key, make sure the key is safe. Okay, like again, this is not your public key. Go here right now, copy the current key. If you haven't opened for the first time, if you have opened for the first time, or go and check where you save your keys. So copy the current key, and after that has been done, let us go back to our VPS and check something else. So this thing is still downloading and about to finish. Okay, so we are going to create a PEM file. Don't forget, guys. So as you can see, the model font download prompt template for model check blah blah blah. So let's go to nano my.pem. Okay, my.pem. I will write. So here, this is where you are going to input your key. Okay, you are going to input your private, paste your private key right here. I'm not gonna let you guys to see my private key. I've already copied it. I'm going to paste it here. So after pasting it right there, you are going to click on You are going to click on Control X, Control Y, and enter. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and do that. So what I actually did is press the Control X, then put input Y. Okay, after input Y, you are going to press enter. Okay, so the next thing is let us import it. So boom, as you can see, we have already imported. Now let us log in and make sure it's connected. So as you can see, connected to authenticated successfully, and let us click on connect. Okay, let us run the connect. As you can see, I've successfully connected. Do you have anything you want to do already? So we're going to ask us register model for interference. So they said we should enter the standard for this standard reward and 2x point. This require an upgrade. Okay, so I'm going to run on X3. That is why I asked you to select the second model for you to run. So let's go on S3 on tier 3 rather. So we are now on tier. So I don't know why this thing is running in tier 5. So I'm going to actually input tier 5 and see how maybe it's going to be running on tier 3 if I input tier 5, and it's going to run on tier 5 if I input tier 3. So let us do that one again. Tier 3. So I think it's the tier 5 will be the default. Then the next thing is I think check up your node points. We have already run this connect right. Let us run this thing again. Connect. Okay, fail to connect to Hive. So that means we actually uh missed something out. Okay, let's check on. So as you can see, here is it. Which means this thing is running. We have a 2.91x 5 run times, as you can see. And if you go to my dashboard right there, you can actually see it here. Okay, you can actually see it there. And let me just reload this. So guys, make sure you check on it and make sure it's connected. If it's not connected, if it is connected, this thing will be automatic. If you connect this thing, it will disconnect itself. Okay, that is what I noticed. If you connect this thing again, itself is going to actually disconnect itself. Okay, so as you can see, that means it's running. As you can see, already allocated. Sit down here, node connected, already reserved. So that means it's actually running right now. So that is it on how you can run your Hyperspace node. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to get your discount from the Contabo right now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.